Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you special food for diabetes patient. So guys can see all the items here. This special food is for diabetes patient people that have diabetes. This food that I'm going to prepare is very good for them, and it will help them. So guys can see the item. This is unripe plantain. You can see how greenish it is. Here I have onion, scent leaf. I have a mango season, pepper soup spice, pepper and palm oil. So the title of my video is Unripe Plantain Pepper Soup for Diabetes Patient. So the reason why I'll prepare it to show it to them, many of them, they don't know how to prepare it and get it right. Unripe plantain, you can use many ways to prepare it. Some use it for porridge, some use it for boil, some use it for fry, but I'm going to use it for pepper soup today, because if you use it for pepper soup, when you do and you have enough water, when you prepare it, the water that you will drink to help you also. So that is why I want to use it for pepper soup. It's not porridge. I'm not using it for porridge. It's unripe plantain pepper soup for diabetes patients. That is the title. So I'll quickly peel the plantain. Start peeling the plantain. Then I started prepare the rest. So, and before you do, you make sure you wash it because of the sand. You wash it because of the sand. After you wash it, then you cut it. Then you divide it so that the thing will be easy for you to peel. You can see how the inside is very greenish and it's strong. It's not even yet to ripe at all. They're very greenish now. So I will peel the back and cut it tiny. I won't cut it big because it's pepper soup. I will cut it tiny. So I will show you when I do it. Keep washing. So guys can see already cut it and soak it inside the water. Because when you cut it, you wash it. So I'll wash it now inside the pot and season it. So I'll pack it from the water and put it inside the pot now. So we pack it from the water. And you start packing it from the water, you season it and add the quantity of the water you want and put it in the fire. Then your unripe plantain pepper soup is cooked. So I'll pack everything from the water. So guys, can see it inside the pot. It's time now to season it. Put pepper. You add red oil. The reason why I'm adding red oil is that if you didn't add red oil, that is palm oil. If you didn't add, when the pepper soup done, it's plantain, it's not meat. So you won't like the face. The way the face is dey white, you won't like it. So you add palm oil little to change the face, so that when you are eating it, you'll be able to cook. Already add onion, add pepper soup spice, add little salt. Now add the mango seasoning. Now put the scent leaf. It's time now to add water. See. After everything that you add, you now cover it and put it in the fire. Wow, my ripe plantain pepper soup is going to be sweet. I won't give it to anybody, only me eat it. So guys can see, I'll put it in the fire. I'll cover it and leave it like 20 minutes to done very well. So when it's done, I bring it down. Then our ripe plantain pepper soup for diabetes patients is ready. So everybody will love it, how the face will come out. So keep watching. Let me leave it for fire for 20 minutes. So guys, let's check the unripe plantain pepper soup. Wow. You guys can see how it be. Very yummy. So it's done now. Now off the light. Let me dish it in the plate and see how it will be. This is for diabetes patients. I'll eat it too. I don't have diabetes. I just like plantain, unripe plantain. So as I say, I can use it for many. So guys can see this is how it come out. So when you eat it, you take it like this with the water. It's very hot. So I'll leave it to cool small before I'll eat it. I see. Take it, let me test it. It's very, very hot. Yum. Very sweet too. Wow. So I'll leave it to cool small before I'll finish it. So it's good for especially diabetic patients. It's not only there that you'll be eating it too, but it's very good for them, for their health, to help them for diabetes. But other people can eat it also. If you don't want to use it for pepper soup, you can even roast it. Or ripe plantain, you can roast it. The roasted one too is also very nice and delicious. You can roast it, you can fry it, you can boil it, you can do it porridge, you can do it many ways and put enough vegetable you want to do. This is pepper soup. That's why I didn't put enough vegetable, because this one is pepper soup. I made this one pepper soup. When you eat it, drink it, the water with it like this. You enjoy it a lot. When you take small, your stomach is full. So that is all for unripe plantain pepper soup. And this is for diabetic patient food, especially diabetic patient food. It's not only them that will be eating it too, but especially diabetic patient people. It's very, very good for them. Please, if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.